Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to top up
Thousands of
Diamond
wishes form
Mobile
thousands
Legend in
of
Binance. So
butterflies, and
if
they
you
all
ready,
blend
let's
into
go.
my.
First thing we come to Binance app, and then we go to the funding future and click pay. Okay, click pay, and then we click the hot deals for the center. Then we come to this side, so they have a lot of pay marketplace, so we will find about Mobile Legends, so we can search it. Okay, Mobile Legends. So now I will buy $0.99, and now we click pay. So I will click this one and click login. Okay, click confirm it. So when we log in, now click buy and check out. Then we need to put the name and the email. We will get the code of Mobile Legends. So I will write it. Okay, then click buy. So I will buy with a spot wallet. Okay, click confirm, and payment successful. So now we will go to the email and we will get the code of Mobile Legends. Okay, we come to email. So we have the code and the website. We will redeem with diamond. So we come to the website and select the diamond we want to redeem, and now write your email, then write your account ID game, and then we will write your time zone. So I will write my mobile ID, 595009, and my game time zone 9645. Okay, now click validate ID, and then we'll show you the username. Okay, my ID is 085 gaming, so we press the card code. Okay, I copied it and I paste inside, then click top up. Okay, it's successful. So now we back to the Mobile Legends. It will take a few minutes, few seconds. Okay, we get the so thank you for watching.